Let's go ahead and dig up in the butt of my minivan. What do we find here? We find slime tube sealant. This is slime to repair and prevent flats in your inner tubes for your tires. So mine is for a bicycle, okay? I lost a lot of footage once I had a corrupted SD card. Let me tell you where we're at on here. This is where I had a little puncture on my inner tube, and I used like 8 ounces of slime, okay? Used 8 ounces of it, and it did not repair it. It didn't fix it. I gave it a bunch of time. It will not hold air. Let's pick back up where we left off, okay? There's the slime. You can see it's in there. If I squeeze it, more will come out. The inner tube is caked with it, but watch what happens when I go ahead. I already popped the top on the valve, and we're gonna try to put air in this tire, and it fills up for a second, and then it just all blows out of the little bitty hole where the slime should have filled that up since yesterday. Nothing going. You squeeze it, it'll squirt right out. This stuff really didn't get very firm. I don't know if that's supposed to happen or not. I tried to shake it up, but it didn't work. So here's how you can really effectively use slime tire sealant. Once you insert, once you push in, once you fill up that tube with the goo, the slime tire sealant, the slime tube sealant, you're gonna go ahead, you're gonna get your traditional inner tube patch kit. I'm roughing up the surface right here. I'm making sure that we're gonna have a tight fit. You're gonna get your rubber cement, okay? Now you're going to apply your rubber cement and let that sit. You're gonna let it sit for just a couple minutes. It's gonna get tacky, boo-bappy. Now you're going to notice as I squeeze, this thing tricked me. There actually is no rubber cement left, and old Ryan is mad. So I found the only thing we had here, Seal All. Okay, so it's like a circus seal, and it seals it all. Okay, what is all? All is everything, and everything is all. So let's go ahead and let's apply some of this stuff. And man, the smell coming from Seal All is potent. But we're gonna use that Seal All in place of the rubber cement. I'm going to apply it liberally. I applied it liberally, and now we're gonna let that sit on there for just a few minutes. Then we're going to apply our patch, and we're going to see if the patch, in conjunction with, as a teammate to, the slime tube sealant, if that's going to be the ultimate combo, the brutal duo to fight off any kind of punctures or little holes that you may have in your tube. So now peel off your little patch. It's real tacky, super tacky. Oh my goodness, somebody slap me. It's so tacky. So here we go. We're going to get this off. These patches are old, so it's going to take a little time, but I'm excited to go ahead and take this time to make the combo with the slime, okay? So now we're gonna put this on where the Seal All has been sitting. The Seal All has been sitting there for, give or take about 5 minutes there. I wanted to make sure it worked. So I'm pushing this, I'm trying to lay it flat, but there's so much slime inside that tube. There's a lot of slime. It's a lot of slime. Okay, we're gonna put that on, then we're gonna let it dry.
I can't connect to the Wi network. You might want to check the connection settings in the Google Home app.
Didn't really need that, but back to the video. So here we go. I feel confident now. That patch seems to be really stuck on there, and with 8 ounces of slime inside. Certainly this is going to work out, right? Certainly this is going to be good, but you gotta have your air pump on. You have to have your compressor valve opened. So that's what I just did there. Now we're going to fill it up, and I'm going to take a bike ride, okay? We're going to be green for the earth. No more van rides. We're going to take a bike ride, but nope. Even with a traditional patch plus 8 ounces of slime tube sealant, the results are not good. The results are in, and it's a fail. This is a big fail. I got to give 2 thumbs down to the slime tube sealant. This didn't work at all. 2 thumbs down. I don't know if I can recommend you getting this. Maybe my puncture wasn't small enough, even though it was tiny. In the trash, it goes. Thanks.